I'm Chef Ryan Covert and welcome to KTA Kitchens. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to make a spiced grilled ribeye steak with a herb horseradish gremolata. So we're going to start with combining all the ingredients for the spice rub into the bowl. So you're taking your smoked paprika, granulated garlic, black pepper, ground cumin, chili powder, and salt. And just give this a good mix until it's all well incorporated. And we're just going to season our ribeye steaks with this spice mix. So when choosing your meat, you want to make sure your meat is a nice red color. And I like to have all the same size and pieces so they cook evenly. So let's just get started with adding the spice rub generously on top of each steak, front and backs. The spice rub is equal for 4 pieces. If you want to make more, you always can increase the spice dosage. So now it's time to wash our hands. When you're handling raw meat, you always want to make sure you use soapy warm water to wash your hands. We'll just wrap this and put it in the refrigerator and make our gremolata sauce. What we need to do to make this come together is just basically put all your ingredients into a bowl and mix well. So we'll start with the cilantro, the parsley, olive oil, the horseradish, prepared horseradish, the radishes, lemon zest, black pepper, and salt. And just give this a good mix. And you may ask what a gremolata is, but basically it's Italian herb condiment for fish or meats. So it has a nice mixture, and we're just going to put this in the refrigerator and let rest before we grill the steaks. Steaks have been marinating for 30 minutes. Now it's time to grill, but you want to let your steaks come to room temperature before you put them on the grill. I like to use a non-stick cooking spray for my grill so the steaks don't stick. So just be careful when you spray this. Sometimes it kind of flares up a little bit. And now we'll just put our ribeyes on. And I like to cover it so it cooks quicker. So the steaks are ready to take off the grill. What's important, you want to remember to always let your steaks rest at least 7 to 10 minutes before you even get into them. Oh, they look great. KTA carries both grass-fed and corn-fed beef, but I like any steak. Now for the best part, let's give this a taste. Nice big juicy steak. You're going to add some of the gremolata on top of your steak. You can use as much or little as you like. I like a lot. Let's give this a taste. You're really going to enjoy this. The taste from the horseradish, the lemon, and the gremolata really brings out the natural flavors of a steak. And I would pair this steak with a nice Cabernet, Zinfandel, Merlot. Until next time, I'm Chef Ryan Covert. Thank you for joining me in KTA Kitchens. Aloha.